In a world where everyone spoke the same language, chaos reigned. People from different cultures gathered to discuss a universal greeting. "How about a simple hello?" suggested one. "Too boring," another replied. "Let's use hi." "Sounds like a sneeze," someone sneezed. Frustrated, they decided to create their own greetings. The French went with bonjour, the Italians with ciao, and the Japanese with konnichiwa. Years later, a child asked, "Why do we have different languages?" Grandpa chuckled, "Because hi sounded like a sneeze." Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.